I stopped. I mean, yo! Yo! Baby! Joking audits. You can't get in here. Damn it. But the gate's locked. The corruption is real. How did they get in there if the gates are locked? Maybe you can get in down here actually. I'll be trespassing though, so no problem. There's a way down. Maybe you can get in this way. So there's two police cars and a police van. FMG repair. Guy just carried on cleaning his car. Nothing's happening, nothing to see here. Nothing to see here. Well, Joking Audits can see it. And I am going to see it. Because I want to know what's going on. Don't trust the police. %. There we go. There we go. Oh, that's a big house. Oh, like just stolen cars. Maybe. Cutting shuts, I don't know. That's a big ass garage, isn't it? They've got like a conveyor belt, it looks like. Yep. What are the police doing here?
You alright?
What are the police doing here? Can you stand back, please?
Doing repairs.
A bit close.
Get off site.
No.
Yeah.
I want to know why police are here.
Yeah, what's it got to do with you? Get off site.
Why?
We're repairing their vehicles.
Why are you repairing police vehicles?
The repair centre.
Alright, okay.
Go on.
Just making sure.
Are you making sure?
Making sure?
Who are you?
Joking Audits YouTube.
Who?
Joking Audits on YouTube.
Joking Audits. Right.
I audit the police. It just looks suspicious, you know, at police.
We just signed a contract with them to repair their vehicles.
Alright, cool. Well, that clears that one up, you know.
You know,
I apologise.
I apologise.
I apologise for trespassing.
Yeah.
But I have to do it with my job, you know.
Right.
To get the real. Pardon?
That won't be getting posted.
It's live streaming now.
Right.
So yeah, it's already gone on. So
Right, okay.
can't really do much about it.
What are you called? Joking what?
Joking Audits.
Joking Audits.
JoeKingAudits.
Right.
All one word.
Right. Don't come back on. That's what it is.
I'll delete it if you want. But
I prefer it, but.
alright, I can delete it, but it's already on there now. That's all.
No worries.
I'll delete it. So Joking Audits out.